This is John from Menken Generators, and this is Nick, who's absolutely incredible. Whatever he touches just turns out perfect. He really cares about what he does, but he'll explain that to you later on. Anyway, this is another install I wanted to show you. If you'll notice, the way we build it up above the ground, we also bring in mulch, rock if we have to make it, to finish it off, because we want to leave it better than when we came here. And as you also notice, if you look at the back here, there's a filter on the gas line, a shutoff valve in the back of the generator, and we also have another shutoff valve where the meter is, the gas meter is, and you have two surge protectors on the side of the transfer switch. Nick's going to take over now and show you what he did, which is absolutely incredible.
So basically what we have here is our standard 200 amp transfer switch. We have surge protection coming in from utility to protect the whole entire house in the system. And when it transfers from Pico to, or utility to generator, this takes over. It's another surge protection. So it's doubled up, make sure you're 100% safe. As John just said, we have all the gas work that just got done. What we decided to do here, so to protect the wire going down, we wanted it to look nice and straight along the house instead of being sloppy on the ground. So we just 45 to get around our obstacles as far as the gas works goes, and then shot it down here. So even if you want to come over this way. Another thing that we do is, we're from Pennsylvania here, so we have hot and cold, and you know that during the year. So these expansions on the 3/4 and the 1.25" allow pipe to move with fluctuation of temperature. Just another thing that I recommend anybody does, just to make sure you don't have any problems in the future. What we did from there was convert to flex. So we have a nice sweep that goes into the back of the generator for our connections. And that's about it. I don't know what else to say. You can chop that off. Did you say anything about the foundation, John?
I did,
Okay.
I did. And like I said, what I'm asking people to do is to spend a few extra dollars up front to save you a lot of money in the future. No grief, no aggravation. These are so reliable, so dependable, the way that we install them. It's very important to build them up above the ground to keep the dirt and debris out of the generator. You don't have to worry about snowfall. You don't have to worry about flooding rains. This is ultimately the best thing you can do to guarantee the reliability and the durability of the generator. Surge protection is awesome. AGM battery is awesome. Filter on the gas line is awesome. These things, I'm sorry?
Racing oil.
Yeah, and when we change the oil, we actually use bona fide racing oil. We use better oil filter, better spark plugs. If there's something we can do better, please let us know. We'll do it, because we're all about better. We don't want nasty phone calls. We only like happy phone calls. We don't want grief and aggravation from customers. We like the good ones. I am so glad you installed it for us. You guys did an awesome job. And when they lose power, they call us on the phone and say everything worked great. There's no running around any doubts about whether or not the generator is going to perform. Not the way we install it. So we're asking you to spend a few extra bucks up front to save you grief and aggravation and money in the long run.